Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Just a quick review of the EDATE function. Keep in mind, this is a monthly function. I just want to point out, and I don't know if this is significant or not, but maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Look at here. We have a 2/28/29 start date. We want 1 month ahead. It's 3/28/29. We're doing what this particular function is programmed to do. 1 month forward. 3/1/29 back 1 month gives us 2/1/29. Fine. We go back to the reporting. We look at 3/31/29. We go back 1. EDATE B7, C7. We go to 2/28/29. Interesting. Go back up here, 2/28/29. We go 1. It only goes to 3/28. But then when we go to 3/31 minus 1, it only goes to 2/28. You see the difference there? Interesting. Would this not be more correct if it was 3/31/2029? I don't know. Think about it. But the EDATE function, if we wanted to go from 7/3/2029, 12. It's 12 months. Here's the formula. Notice it's the date. Here, we're going to go over here. The EDATE function in Excel returns a date on the same day of the month and months in the past or future. Is that right? 3/31/2/28. Technically, wouldn't that be, what would 3/31 and minus a month? So the question is, what is a month within Excel using EDATE? Here, 3/1-2/1. Here, 2/28-2/28. Well, we don't have 31 days in February. So it's sort of that egg and chicken kind of deal. Comment. Let me know what you think. Is this an error, or is this one of those gray areas? The reading here, if you just haven't been working with date functions in a while, this is a review. You can review this. Just practice this stuff. We just went over end of month. Here's EDATE. Here's the write-up. It's just the basic stuff that we haven't covered in a while, and we'll be covering in detail. We have quite a few date tutorials, and this will be part of it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.